Thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey, and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's holiday weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is the daily video forecast discussion for a rather rainy Tuesday morning, November 22nd, 2011. You're going to need the umbrella today, tonight, and tomorrow. Periods of moderate to heavy rain moving into the area during this afternoon, right through tonight and into tomorrow morning. It's going to lead to some ponding on the roadways, some clogged drains, obviously, because of the leaves that are continuing to come down from the trees. And this is a pretty picture, isn't it? Out in the country, it's a fall picture, and I've got snowflakes flying on it. But we're not going to see any snow with this system coming through. But Thanksgiving is going to be a beautiful day, albeit a windy one. Temperature is going to be in the 40s. So tomorrow, the big concerns late tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday are, of course, going to be travel impacts. You're going to need to check with your carriers if you're flying, and of course any of the roadway closures, weather delays, all of that information is available on our drop-down weather alerts menu at GardenStateWeather.com. Let's get right into the forecast now. Getting out the door this morning, Tuesday morning, temperatures upper 30s to low and mid 40s in the New York City area, and they're already down. They're already up into the low 50s right along the coast and in the Delmarva region with a few smattering of isentropic lift showers here. These are very, very light. There's a lot more rain, though, on the way to the southwest. Got small craft advisories here along the waters from this afternoon right through Thursday morning, and especially through Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. These are going to be for east winds turning northeast, turning southeast, and then eventually out of the northwest. And these are going to provide small crafts advisories for strong gusty winds, especially 15 to 25 miles an hour at times, and seas building right along the coast here, anywhere from southern New England right down through the Delmarva from late this afternoon right through Wednesday night. Here's our culprit for the rain today. We see a lot of lifting going on here in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Indicative low pressure now across the Arklatex area, getting ready to go in through the Ohio Valley, eventually taking a track through Pennsylvania and New York. With the surface warm front, we'll be moving through our area through tonight and tomorrow morning. So focus here on this area here this is where the heavier showers and even some embedded low top thunderstorms could get going around here, especially across southeastern Pennsylvania and across southern and central New Jersey tomorrow morning as the warm front tries to make its way just through the New York City terminals tomorrow morning. So moderate to heavy rain getting going here from this afternoon, especially overnight tonight, and right after midnight, that's when the rain's really going to come down. The good news is that right behind this big storm system is high pressure, which will be moving in. But this storm will be exiting, high pressure will be moving in, and the tight pressure gradient between the two means lots of winds around here for the Thanksgiving Day parade. Should be dry by tomorrow night when you go out to see the parade, the floats actually being blown up if you do that in New York City tomorrow night. But the winds are really going to start howling in here, and it could be a very bouncy day for a lot of those festival goers here, or parade goers on Thursday. But that won't stop you. Temperature is going to be in the 40s, but the winds are going to make it feel like it's in the upper 30s. So do bundle up. Forecast charts for this afternoon. Low pressure nearing the Ohio Valley. Here's our warm front getting in here. The rain now coming steadily through just about Ohio into Pennsylvania, back down through Texas and the Mississippi Valley here during late this afternoon and this evening. And the warm front making it right through. This is where our heavier rains and are going to occur. Could even have a low top thunderstorm after the warm front moves through tomorrow morning between the warm front and the cold front tomorrow afternoon. That's going to be a focus for some low top showers and even some embedded thunderstorms here across the central Pennsylvania into southern New Jersey and central New Jersey coastline before the whole cold front exits by tomorrow evening. Now the focal point here is for some moderate to heavy rain and mild. It's going to get very mild around here, especially after the warm front moves through tomorrow morning. Temperature is going to soar into the 60s, but then drop rapidly tomorrow night. And as we get through the day on Thanksgiving proper, are going to start, this is for Wednesday morning actually. Here's the warm front. It has passed now. Logan's in central Pennsylvania. Moderate to heavy rain falling through southern New England, the coastline, all the way through the interior. So you're going to have to check with your carriers tomorrow morning, especially if you're traveling on any of the airlines across the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states for airport delays or flight delays. And then low pressure moves off the coast. Here comes high pressure moving in from the Great Lakes all the way down through Texas. This is going to be providing us with moderation in temperature. Beautiful weather for Black Friday. Get out there early at midnight and shop till you drop. And on Saturday, temperatures getting up to the upper 60s to around 70 with a gorgeous amount of sunshine. This upper disturbance and surface mess that's going on here on the West Coast is going to be our next possible weather maker for Monday or Tuesday of next week. Probably this is going to carve out a huge trough in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and some of the modeling is indicating that it closes off, and then we're going to have probably a storm system will be on the right-hand side of it, so it will be on the warmer side for Monday and Tuesday, and we could even see snow from this system all the way back through the Great Lakes, maybe Chicago next week. We'll have a look at the extended forecast later tonight and tomorrow morning. So that's going to do it for this Tuesday. Don't forget, bring the umbrella. All your information is available at GardenStateWeather.com. I'll join you again tomorrow for the big Getaway Wednesday with all your flight delays and all of that stuff tomorrow morning, bright and early, right here on GardenStateWeather.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a good Tuesday.